You're viewing a Volstro rotary milling head attachment. I've got it installed here. I'm going to give you an example. This will be for sale on eBay under MWorks 2012. I've started at the major outside diameter and will feed inward. Mounts to your column. Standard RA drawbar. Comes with pulley, belt, collets, all that. And as this is rotating around, we are able to feed inward or outward and bring it right back to center. So we'll start cutting. You do so by taking this handle that slips on right here, and then just basically you're gonna give it a turn. It's on a veneer, so you'll know how many thou you're coming out. It's a great tool for the toolbox. I've done cylinder head work with these, all kinds of stuff. Right now, we've got this rotating at 0.006, and we're just kind of going through here and going to work our way inbound. We're just using a standard 1/2-inch cutter. This is just an old piece of scrap that I had. Mounted it up real quick to show you. Sorry for the poor video quality. I'm doing this by myself right now. And basically, as you keep rotating and feeding, you can work yourself from center out or out to center, whichever your job calls for. If you're doing any type of profile work, you're able to easily stop the unit, and then what you're going to do is re-engage to come back the other way. And it's veneered here, so you know how far you have traveled for what it is you're trying to accomplish with whatever the job may be. Very universal tool, very good to have. It beats the heck out of mounting a 300-pound rotary table on your mill. Go ahead and see how it looks. And remember, this was at a high rate speed, so we'll go ahead and just brush these chips off. Don't ever want to use your finger. Yeah, it does a real good job. You can see the lip and how aggressive of a cut we were taking as we were feeding back inward. There'll be detailed pictures up on eBay with a good description. feel free to contact me on this. This is a good little tool. I'm sure it'll go quick. Thank you.